Hey, this is Stacey from Joliet Digital Solutions. I talked to you the other day about sending you a video that shows how to use the internet to help grow your business. So here's the video. Maybe you are wondering why I would make a video like this. It's pretty simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who are busy running their businesses and taking care of their families. And they don't have time to learn how to use their websites to grow their businesses. So I'm here to help with that. I'm going to talk to you about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. First, though, I wanted to say that I really like your website. I like your logo. I really love that. It's super cool. And you've got your phone number and contact information over here, so that's really great for customers. That's what they're looking for, and that's how you get them to become customers. I also wanted to say I like this picture of your truck here. I think that's really good for helping to build trust. And then further down near the bottom you have some testimonials, and that's also really great. So that's what I like about your website. However, Google isn't looking for a good looking or well-designed website. What Google really cares about is content, because content is king. The more content you have, the better. Content is everything we can read on your website, and also the images. Google really likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage. This indicates to Google that you are an expert in your field and that you know what you're talking about. So scrolling through your website, like I did before, you've got a fair amount of content on your website, which is really great. And when you have a lot of content like that, that's a really great opportunity to add keywords. So keywords are an important part of content. They are phrases that people type into Google in order to search for something. So for example, the keyword I could use to find you would be AC repair Modesto, which is what I put in here, and we'll talk about this in a little bit. You can put keywords throughout your content. For example, AC repair Modesto residents can count on. So that's one way you could incorporate it into your content. And this tells Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So without keywords, Google doesn't have any indication what your website is about or who to send there. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is a link on someone else's website that when somebody clicks on it, it goes back to your website. This is important because Google sees that as an endorsement from another website. So they trust you enough to include your link into their content. The more quality backlinks you have coming from relevant quality sites, the more Google is willing to send more people to your site through the searches. So you don't want links coming from something like GameStop or something like that. You want them coming from sites that have good reputations, or from blogs or articles that are about HVAC. For example, an article like, what is the most energy efficient air conditioner? Anything relevant like that. So we can look and see that you have 81 backlinks already with 19 referring domains. So that means there's 19 different websites, and with a total of 81 links that go back to your site. And now we want to look at one of your competitors. So here's one competitor. They have almost 1,500 backlinks, and coming from 126 different websites. So that's one competitor. and another competitor has similarly almost 1,500 backlinks coming from 312 different websites. So a good way to increase your backlinks is to see what websites other companies in your areas, like the two that I'm showing you, what they are linking to, and create your own links at the same sites. Because if those links are helping your competitors to rank, then they can also help you to rank and then get found by more customers. So you can look and find, oh goodness, I guess I got logged out. Okay, that's okay. You just look and find out what links they're linking to. So let's see. Okay, so that's my first two tips. Getting more content with keywords and more quality backlinks are enough to get more traffic and move you to the top of the search on Google. And I am going to give you one more tip, which is how to show up right here in the map pack. So let's go back to the search I did. Okay, we got, when you do a search, the first thing you see are the ads, and then you see the map pack. So the map pack is where they display your profile from Google Business with the information you provided. So if you don't have a business profile with Google, it's easy to get and it's free. Getting to the top of the Google Map Pack is pretty simple. So my third tip is citations. A citation is when you enter the same information that you have in your Google profile, which is your business name, address, and phone number, and you enter that into an online directory. And a directory is a website like Yelp, Thumbtack, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, White Pages, sites like that. List your information exactly as you have it in your Google Business profile, making sure that the directories are also relevant and have good reputations. What I would do is use the same technique with citations that we use with backlinks. Find all the websites that other HVAC companies in your area have listed themselves on and list your business in there as well. Plus, add a bunch more. So if they have, for example, 150 citations, you would want to aim for 200, 250, go big. And that way you really give yourself a solid lead. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you find this helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short and to the point. So as a quick recap, you want to add content at least 1,500 words with keywords inside of that content. You want to get all the links that are going back to the other companies in your area and get them going back to your website. And number 3, you want to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. If you follow all of those tips, that is how you become #1 locally on Google. And this is why it's worth doing all that stuff. So here we have keywords relevant to your business in your area. And when I went through here and added this all up, it comes to over 1,000 searches a month for your service. So the higher you rank in Google, the bigger piece of pie you get of that 100 or 1,000 searches. And if you only get 10% of that, that's 100 potential customers per month coming to your website. So that's not including other keywords and locations that you could target. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video so you can start generating leads online. I hope you find this information useful. If you find yourself wanting to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask for right now is some feedback to let me know if this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.